Okay, we have Anish Mario and Abhishek Christopher with us with their proud mother Lata auntie. Hi auntie.
Hi Ma, how are you?
I'm good. Beautiful home auntie. And how satisfied are you?
I'm satisfied. This is my mother's gift.
Okay.
She's no more now. And God's blessings and my both sons hard work.
Okay, so are you both happy?
Yes, of course.
How did you come to know about Harish Mane?
So we came to know through one of the social network, Instagram. So my brother here, right, Chris. So he is the one who actually found out there was a builder called Harish Mane. So we just approached him via Instagram. We just direct messaged him and all of that. He shared his contact details. It was very quick actually, flawless contact.
Right.
And actually he stayed closer to our place itself. So we were put up in Oromavo and his house was also in Oromavo. So he just invited us home, had a quick chat. It was not like a client meeting as such, or it was like a friendly atmosphere. So we went to his house. His house was also constructed, newly built. So we went through a walk, home tour type kind of thing. And nearby also he had constructed a lot of houses recently. So we went across, we saw a couple of them. That's when we were satisfied, okay. So the first person
is the
we
one,
actually, correct. So the first one who we actually encountered was the person who can actually make our dreams come true actually.
What were your dreams? Because I know the biggest challenge is, to construct such a big house with 5 bedrooms, given the plot measurements, which is just 1,000 square feet. So it was quite a challenge, I'm sure. But here as I can see everything from the roof, which are like somewhere it is a wooden stair or a wooden walkthrough, or the ceilings, everything is unique and everything is customized. What were the challenges which you faced?
See, from a challenging perspective, I would say it's all left to the builder actually.
Right.
Because we have no idea how things are going to work out or what materials are going to be used. We are just going to say, okay, we need this outcome, we need in this manner. So it's that team actually who puts in a lot of efforts, like a lot of architects, interiors, all of them together, right? So if I would say, if it was not Harish Mane, if it was something else, like usually what people do is they actually get a construction done from one of the builders and then search for an architect or an interior designing, and actually it shoots up and you'll have to, like somewhere in down the line, you'll have to do a bargain with yourself because you are running around a lot of times, and there will be a time where you are tirelessly running and you stress out and time is running, right? So you end up actually compromising a lot of stuffs when you actually bifurcate different people for different things to do for one house.
Absolutely. Right? It's quite a task because see, now the space has been built by a construction company, but then the architect would come and he might face a different challenge altogether and say that, okay, this space cannot be made in particular way. But if everything is handled by one person, I'm sure during the initial planning, he can just plan it out and execute it. So which is your favorite space in the whole house, auntie? Don't tell me kitchen, no? I loved your kitchen and dining area, by the way. That's the compliment which I want to give you. And which is your favorite place?
Actually, I would say the entire thing because it's our dream house. So each and every bit that you see in this house is actually one of the things that we would have discussed or they would have given. It's actually, I would say the entire house.
Entire house. Yes. What about you, Abhishek? Any particular place?
To be very precise, it would be this entertainment room because this is what we both wanted to entertain ourselves, our family as well as our friends.
It's a proper indulgence with the family and siblings, cousins and all that.
Yes.
The plans or the designs, were you satisfied?
Yeah, we were very much satisfied. That's what I was hinting to earlier in my conversation, that so he actually listens to all our needs, the team listens to us, right? And then they actually make any amendments, any modification, even if it is the last stage also. Even if it incurs a lot of efforts or maybe it's over the budget also, he doesn't let us know about that. He knows that, okay, the client needs this. They are into it. So let's see if this will go into our frame or our budgeting. Even if it crosses our budgeting also, it doesn't let it go. It's not like other people who are like, okay, we were agreed to do this and we will only deliver this. It's never that way with that Harish Mane Infratech company actually. So that's what it highlights them, and we were given a lot of options.
So the thing is, we always say our home reflects our nature. So usually you go to any architect or interior designer or any consultant or anybody for that matter, you would say, okay, I like this color scheme, I like that, I like this, and you will just choose from the options which they give. But here if I can see, it is so personalized, as if he's like the whole team knows in and out about you, be it like implementing some Avengers theme or implementing this religious item in every corner. It is like it is reflecting your personality on the whole. So this can happen only when the understanding between the person who is executing it and the clients have a very good rapport. So tell me about that rapport and tell me about the small nuances which you implemented at your house.
Right, so it was all new to us, right? So as you said, the rapport, the bond, right? So that the trust factor actually plays an important role.
Right.
So we were never a client who would actually visit every single day and see, okay, this work is happening or if this didn't happen, so we would raise it to them. It was never that way, because we had trust, complete trust that, okay, this individual will actually give us what we actually need for, right?
Okay.
So at every moment, right, maybe it was a 2-story building, so every ground floor or first floor, anything, they used to ask, what kind of theme do you want? These are the options that we think might be best based on the conversation that we had, right? So as you say, the wants or the needs keeps changing as the time goes. Because I said this house took almost 2 years because of COVID and all of that, that's there. But Anand said, because when we actually into something, the like what you see, the work or any social media, you come across a lot of things on a similar pattern, right? So the thought or the dream that you had of doing it today, the next day it could be different.
Absolutely,
right? So,
absolutely.
And as soon as something which changes, we actually go and talk to him. We tell him, okay, can this be personalized in this manner? Can this be done in this way?
Right.
We are thinking of this. Is it feasible? Or can it fit in this 1,000 square feet of it? All of that we actually keep telling. It's like not like client relationship, I would say. It was more of a friendship or a kind of thing. Like where we can be a free soul and actually message him or text him or text the entire team actually, right? It was not just Arish all the time. It was different team for different structures or different levels of construction, right? So everybody as a team itself were very friendly in nature.
So you've built a relationship more than just the commercial interactions or just the business with them. You've just become like an extended family to them, I would rather say, because this project is also very close to their heart. And how likely are you to recommend this to your friends and family, and what do you have to say about it?
I've already recommended a lot of people already because seeing the Insta stories and all of that, there are a lot of people they're like, okay, so we do know that you are in touch with Harish Mane, how was the construction, how was the service and all of that. We have already given a lot of good feedbacks, and we will continue to give good feedbacks because the service what they delivered touches our heart and it will remain in our heart forever because it was our dream home, and if there was something that went wrong, right, maybe it would stay as a guilt for him also because he knows that the company knows that it was a dream house for us, right? So they took that initial care and utmost care, I would say, that at every level, right? So I would definitely recommend this, anybody who stays close by especially, right, I would recommend them for the first or anywhere because now they have spread across.
Yeah, the wings of Harish Mane is spread all over. So yes, they are always there to meet everybody's needs, and this is a very happy family we've met, and they told how friendly they were, how easy it was to communicate and tell them their needs, and how lovely they have implemented, and we are witnessing it right now. So this is Harish Mane, guys. So for all your needs to make your dream come true, if you're ready to build your dream home, please contact Harish Mane Infratech. Thank you.